I have the best advice for women in business. Get your fucking ass up and work.
Who are those people from that picture? I'm JJTP, a lawyer, not your lawyer. Let's discuss the Kardashians and working hard. There's no doubt that Kim and the Kardashian clan have worked hard to get to where they are, but it wasn't a hard work ethic that made them the money that they have. It was the right to publicity. Despite what you may hear from her comments, Kim was born pretty well off. Her father was a lawyer, and not an everyday lawyer like myself, with only a few subs and likes. Like and sub. I'm talking about a famous Hollywood lawyer. He was O.J. Simpson's lawyer in the trial of the century, and her stepdad, or mom, or whatever, well, they were a famous Olympian, one of the most famous of all time. Her mom has a side hustle running a church camp. We can talk about that later. This allowed her to grow up rubbing elbows with rich and famous people like Paris Hilton. This is not what made her famous, though. That honor goes to D-list celebrity and brandy little brother Ray J, who's famous for songs like this.
I hit it, 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 I hit it first.
Yes, he did, and that's what put her on the map, and where the right to publicity comes in. The right to publicity protects you from the unauthorized commercial use of your name, likeness, or recognizable aspects of your persona. In the US, the right to publicity is protected under common law or statutory law. About half the states recognize an explicit right to publicity. Other states recognize it under the right to privacy, and other states still protect your right under the unfair competition laws. There are other torts which can be used to protect your right to publicity, such as misappropriation. Additionally, federally, you can file for a trademark for certain aspects of your persona. In addition, Section 1125 of the Lanham Act will allow you to use unfair competition laws to protect your right to publicity as well. The Kardashian family has used the right to publicity to make billions of dollars. What are they actually famous for? Think about it. I'll wait. Exactly. They are famous for being famous, and that's a valuable thing. That's where most social media influencers or TikTokers make most of their money. When you have millions of fans and followers who want to be like you have millions of eyes and ears that people want to advertise to, and they're willing to pay you for that. In 2020, Kim said she made more money on Instagram than she made for an entire season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. It's estimated that she made $20 million for that season. While she won't confirm an exact amount, it's reported that she makes between $300,000 and $1 million per post on Instagram. What is clear is that she was born on third base. Some would say further given the Ray J video. She didn't go to school for this, and I would venture to say that most women work a lot harder than having a social media manager post pre-packaged content for millions of dollars a post. She did build a brand. Some would say on the backs of black culture, but that's another story. We shouldn't take that away from her. As I tell my social media clients, your right to publicity is a valuable thing. You protect it like any other property, or else you'll be losing money. Note from the lawyers, this video is based on the laws at the time of taping this video. It does not constitute legal advice. You should always consult with your own attorney before taking any action, with the exception of liking and subbing so you can hear more legal facts like